Right guys, back out on another hunt. Hopefully we'll bring you some good finds today. Bit cold, but as soon as we start digging we'll get warm up, won't we? So yep, we'll get cracking. I'll see you on first find. Right, first find, early screw top, coffin shaped bottle. Note on it, just plain. So that'll be staying. Come across this, not sure what it is, but it says Cleeware, England, and the front of it opens up. I haven't got a clue what that is. Right, we have a bottle, looks to be ribbed, early screw top. Not sure what it says, label's too far gone. But yep, it's a ribbed one. Tony's just come to me with that. Looks to be part of an old iron, but that's made out of porcelain. It's a shame that wasn't intact. That'd have been a good find, wouldn't it? What a shame. Well, I've come across an old Vicks Vapor Rub. Vicks Vapor Rub. Well, looks to be the remains of a kid's toy tractor or something. A toy twactor. Badly damaged. Right, people, I've just come across an old early screw top. Robinson's lemon barley water. Embossed at top. But I won't be taking it. I'm going to try not to take as much home once again. Right guys, I've just come across that, which Tony seems to think it's a Christmas ornament or something, hangs on tree. But if you look at there, it looks like a bit of a squirrel's face. Tail goes up at back here. So yeah, I'm guessing that's a squirrel. Right, this little beauty popped out. I think that says Provincial Dairies. Provincial Dairies, I think. Pasteurised milk, Leeds. Well, it's a shame. The chip on top there and a cracking bottom. What a shame. Gutted. Right, Tony's just passed me this. This old chemist bottle. PH Galloway Limited, Chemists, London, SE17. Not a bad bottle that. It's got a little crack in bottom, so nope, that's not a keeper. Look what I've just come across on surface. I just scraped a little bit away, and it looks to be blue. Milk of magnesia. Fancy that on surface. Of course you do. Right guys, I've come across a little inkwell. Blue Swans ink. It's got, they normally have a nice embossed bottom on them. Yeah, with a little swan on it. If you can just see it there. I'm going to check that over. If it's cracked, I'm not taking it. I think it might have a little crack in it, so not 100% sure, but I'll clean it up and have a look. Tony passed me this over, what he found. A lid for an OK sauce bottle. So it's always good to keep them, because you never know, you might come across the bottle. Tony's just found a marble. Excellent. I think I got one of them like that though. Oh no, it started to rain. Sleet. Nice. And I've just come across an old paste jar. Right, more tea vicar. Yep, teapot. It's a shame about handle. Gutted about that. If that had been whole, I'd have took that, because I think I've got a lid at home that'll fit that. Oh well. You can't win them all. Right, we've got a nice looking green bottle come out with label still on it. Can't really see what's on the label, it's a bit battered, but it's a shame that wasn't embossed. Shame that wasn't embossed at all, because it's a nice colour green with looks of it. Look at that. Oh well. It's got PGG, is it? Just a little skeg. PGG 92. Tony's just thrown me a Marmite over. What he's found? A 4 ouncer. Got a few of them, so I'll be leaving that for someone else. Just come across a kid's toy gun. It looks to be a sheriff's gun. Right, just found this. Can't really make that out on there, top of that, but I'm guessing that's products at bottom. So I'm thinking that, wait a minute, it's a VIT, then a dot. Looks like Co Summit. But yep, I'll take that and leave that. Well guys, just come across that. Syrup of, I haven't got a clue what that says. The pronunciation of that. That says Fellows. So yeah, an embossed bottle. So that'll be coming home with me. And Tony's just brought this over. What's that? Alan and what's that say, Tone?
And the foggy.
Hunting. I ain't got a clue what that says.
You'll like this one.
Handlings Limited. Allen and Handlings Limited. I think. Yep, not a bad bottle.
Yorkshire Relish.
And he's just brought a Yorkshire Relish bottle. Nice. That's just nice for saying Yorkshire. Absolutely fantastic. It's a keeper. Spoon. Right, we've got a ribbed bottle here. Not sure what it was like, but I'm guessing that it must have been a period where the corks were just going out and screw tops were coming in, because I've noticed that they've put a cork in even though it's a screw top. Right, come across another one of them. Poison bottle. Nice looking ones them, but they are pretty common. Right, we've got something in wall. Let me try and get it out. Way up. Hey, still got a lid on it. What have we here? What have we here? Say I want lid? No, just plain bottle. Bit of a design round bottom of it, but that's about it. Right, just come across that one. A little amber coloured ribbed one, screw top. This is popped out. And it's an early cork top. So these oldish bottles coming out today. Well guys, got another bottle here. Poison Sandstill bottle. Got one of them at home. But we've just been hit by a bit of a blizzard. It's getting a bit nippy. I've come across a bottle and it looks to be, if I'm not mistaken, blue. and I'm really hoping this is embossed. Let's have a look. Come on. What a lovely blue that is. What a lovely blue. Look at that. Do you know what? It's not embossed, but I'm going to keep that anyway. Yeah, it's a keeper. Right guys, another bottle's come out, screw top, early one. Mileto, I think it is. Let's have a look. Yeah, Mileto. That's how I think you pronounce it. Mileto. So yeah, another embossed bottle. I think I've got one of them at home though, so I won't be taking that. Right guys, just come across a Vulcanite stopper. I think that says Leeds, Champion Leeds. Yeah, if you could just make it out there. Let's have a look. No. Champion Leeds, it says on there. But yeah, I'll keep that. Well, I've come across this bottle, early cork top. What looks to be an upside down 2 on it. Oh, number 2, but upside down. You know what I mean? That's weird, isn't it? Right guys, I've just come across what looks to be probably one of the biggest jars I've dug on here. Don't know if it's intact. Let's have a look. Look at the size of that. It's one big jar. Note on it. It's cracked, really cracked. But look at the size of that. Have a look underneath. It's got a star on bottom. It's a weird one, isn't it? What's that say there? Co Limited. Something else on it. No, what's that? Just a serial number. It looks to be 352B. It says Co Limited. It's got a star in the middle. But fortunately it's damaged. It's got cracks all over the place, so that'll be left here. There you go, it's just broke in my hand. Guys, just come across this Peaks paste jar, probably 1940s, something like that. But we haven't really found out special today, and I must admit my fingers, I can't feel them because it's cold. They're literally numb. So I don't know whether, oh, what's that? That'd have been nice if it were whole. Yeah, we might call it a day quite early today because we literally can't feel his fingers. So, but we'll see. Right guys, Tony's just thrown me this. I think it's a keeper. WY. And it says Edinburgh. Nice. No cracks in it at all, so I think we'll take that one. Right guys, we're just about done today. I've not really found out special. I'm only going to be taking a few bottles home today, not many. So yeah, it's getting a bit cold, ground's getting a bit tough. So yeah, we'll call it a day today and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.